Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language that is widely used for various applications, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, and automation. If you're a beginner looking to start your journey into coding, this tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a simple Python project. We'll cover the basics of setting up your development environment, writing code, and running your project. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download Python from the official website python.org. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Text editor/IDE, choose a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, to write your Python code. Some popular choices include Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, and Atom. Create a project folder, organize your project files in a dedicated folder. This will keep your code base tidy. Open your terminal or command prompt and create a new folder for your project. Virtual environment, optional. It's a good practice to use virtual environments to isolate your project dependencies. Create a virtual environment within your project folder. Activate the virtual environment. On Windows. On Mac OS/Linux. Now that your development environment is set up, let's create a simple Python script. Open your chosen text editor or IDE and create a new file named main.py in your project folder. In this example, we have a basic Python script that defines a greet function to display a personalized greeting. The script then takes user input for a name and calls the greet function. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to your project folder. If you're using a virtual environment, make sure it's activated. Run your Python script. Enter your name when prompted, and you should see the personalized greeting. Congratulations! You've just created and run your first Python project. From here, you can expand and enhance your project by adding more features, exploring Python libraries, and experimenting with different aspects of the language. Remember to practice regularly, explore additional resources, and have fun coding. ChatGPT.